Hello viewers, are you experiencing Facebook content monetization option not showing problem? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many users experiencing these issues in Facebook. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's start. For solving this problem, first of all, you need to update your Facebook apps. So go to Play Store, click on search bar and search Facebook. From here, update your Facebook apps if available any update version. After completing update process, now go to Facebook, click on profile icon, scroll down, click on help and support option, click on report a problem, click on continue to report a problem. Now click on include, scroll down and find status update. Just click on status update. Here describe your problem in details. Here type hi Facebook team, subject content monetization option not showing. My Facebook account content monetization option not showing. Please help me by solving issues as soon as possible. After typing this, now click on send. After this step, hopefully your problem will be solved very soon. So thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.